Good afternoon, partner. To start with, on my next vacation, I would like to travel Mexico. I will be in Mexico for 5 days. I have to go buy my tickets. I am going to buy clothes, shoes, glasses too. I will be booking hotels. I will be visiting with my family. It is various landscapes and mountains. I will go to the archaeological park and I will go to buy many things for me relative. I also want to visit the most exotic restaurant. I love spicy food. After that, I will visit my dear friend Laura. She lives in Mexico. She is going to get married with me in December. We are going to choose the wedding in Colombia. Otherwise, we will travel throughout each city, canoeing the Mexican culture. Moreover, I am going to cook for her. She loves me to do the kinds of things. Also, we are going to build a summer house in front of the city. Before that, we will work hard to achieve it. Finally, this will be my vacation together with the love of my life. Thank you very much.